Here we have an HP EliteBook 840G4 and we need to remove the screen. So to replace the screen, you will need to find a specific corner where you can start removing the plastics. Here, or you can use a tool like this and try to find the weak point. Make sure it's a plastic, otherwise you're gonna break the screen. So this was the weak point. Okay. So you're gonna gently take it out and you're gonna start slowly doing the edges. Try from this side. Okay, that's the frame out. So once the frame is removed, what you're going to do is remove, there is a 4 screws, 2 up and 2 more down. You can use the tweezers for the screws. Once they're done, you can gently remove it. There will be like a tape, making sure that the screen won't move. You're gonna gently remove the tape as well and remove the connector. And that's your screen.